Hi, my name is Fred Trotter, and I'm going to give you a quick screencast on how the doctor social graph data works. So first, let's take a look at the raw data. As you can see here, it's coded with IDs and then a count. So the first ID is NPI provider A, who saw a patient, and then the same patient was seen within 30 days by provider B, and that happened this number of times in a year. And that makes this graph, for those people who are counting, both directed and weighted. So if you look over here, this is the core NPI database file. You can see here that the NPI number maps up to information about the address, the name, all kinds of information there, and that's how you decode this into getting some more useful data. When you do that, it starts to look like this. This physician has taken referrals from Methodist Hospital, which means he saw the patient second, and then here's the same doctor going to Methodist Hospital. And then you see the same thing about Episcopal Hospital, Quest Diagnostics, all this kind of information. This is what it ends up looking like in terms of a single provider. But then it gets really interesting when you start to diagram things. So this is a network of physicians in Houston who are working with cardiologists. And see, the blue dots are primary cardiologists, primary physicians, and the orange dots are cardiologists. And we have used the weight of the referrals to generate the size of the orange dots. Using D3, which is an amazing JavaScript library, we can easily pull out and start to see exactly what kind of relationship any given node has with any other given node. So for instance, I was looking at a primary care network. Or we can go ahead and pull out information about from the perspective of the cardiologists. And of course, the wonderful thing about D3 is that you can have tremendous amounts of data encoded here. So, so you can see that we're actually looking at a graph that's much larger and has lots and lots of nodes here. And it's displaying a tremendous amount of complex information about the system, the underlying system. So that's beautiful. However, we need to do more than just making pretty pictures. We need to start doing things like ranking doctors in ways that are fair to the doctors and relevant for patients. And to do that, we want to crowdfund even more data. So if you would like to help us with that, we need $150 from 100 people, and we will be able to go give all the people who participate $15,000 worth of data. That's the basic pitch. Please go visit notonly4.com, and you'll find links to that crowdfunding, which is hosted by MedStarter. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching my screencast.